welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about La Roche Posay serum, and that is 10% vitamin C serum. If you guys have been following me, you know that I am making the series of La Roche Posay serum and what are the different ingredients they are made with, and is it worth purchasing this product. Now today's video is 10% vitamin C. They say that it's pure form of vitamin C. So let's see the ingredients and see if this is worth purchasing. If you aren't following me yet, so make sure that you follow me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle, and this helps me as a YouTuber and influencer to grow. And also, if you haven't liked this video, like it. Also subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon so that you can be updated whenever I come up with a new video. So the type of vitamin C that they have added is L-ascorbic acid. It is the pure form of vitamin C, hence the name Pure 10% Vitamin C Serum. So the L-ascorbic acid is quite unstable when it comes in contact with light. But if you see the packaging, it is not a light protectant bottle. As L-ascorbic is water soluble and it is high in antioxidant properties, it becomes a favorable choice for the dermatologist to be using it for the treatment of uneven skin tones, removal of the free radicals, treatment of fine lines, and also protecting your skin from sun damage. So vitamin C plays a very important role, especially its antioxidant properties makes it stand out from the rest of the ingredients. The next ingredient here was glycerin. Now glycerin is a humectant. It helps with the moisturizing properties. It holds the water molecule from the surrounding and helps it to penetrate into the skin. After glycerin comes denatured alcohol. Now I have been, screaming my lungs out. I have been telling everyone how denatured alcohol can be really triggering for dry skin type, and how denatured alcohol in general can be a problem for most of the skin type. Even for the oily skin, denatured alcohol just targets the sebaceous glands, and it kind of, makes an improper regulation of sebum on the skin, which can lead to more oily skin type. So I'm not a huge fan of denatured alcohol, and I really step out of any product that has denatured alcohol into its formulation. Another thing about this serum was that the proportion of denatured alcohol in all the serums, actually in La Roche Posay, which I did not enjoy, was quite high. And alcohol being a solvent is very good to hold all the different ingredients and make it blend into a cream or a serum, but it is not really good when it is used for the dry skin type. So I don't like this idea of drying ingredient that is denatured alcohol. So I think there was the downside about the serum here. The next ingredient here is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is in a fraction of a percent. It's less than 2% for sure. It is excellent to help with the clogged pores and removal of the buildup that is present in the pores. So it helps with the pore cleansing effect. So it is a good choice if you're applying it on the skin at nighttime. And also I saw that there was hyaluronic acid. There were types of hyaluronic acid like sodium hyaluronate and hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, which is acting as a humectant, which helps with the moisturizing benefits. After that, I even saw that there was a peptide. Now, peptide plays an important role in premature aging or in treatment of aged skin. Peptide gives the anti-aging benefits as it helps with the production of collagen, and that is excellent for the mature skin. I then even saw that there was vitamin E, that is tocopherol, which also plays a very good role in stabilizing the product and also plays an important role in removal of the free radicals, which is an antioxidant property. After that, I saw that there was perfume. So I don't like perfume. You see, I am paying around $43 for 30 ml of product that can destroy my skin. Now let's talk about the downside of these products. First one, it is not coming in a light protectant bottle. Second, the packaging is not right for vitamin C as it's in a dropper bottle and the shelf life of vitamin C gets reduced. I've spoken about this in the Claire serum, so you can check out that video as well, because I've said how a wrong packaging can convert the white color or the transparent vitamin C into yellow dew vitamin C. So that's how the efficiency of vitamin C gets reduced. And then there is denatured alcohol, which can lead to drying of the skin, and in oily skin type probably trigger the sebaceous glands. And then the fourth thing that I didn't like was perfume into the formulation. I mean, these French people are so unapologetic about adding perfume into their skincare formulation, and I do feel that they need to consider all skin types. Okay, you're not using only for Caucasian skin or skin of color or just dry skin type, so you need to make the formulations accordingly. So I am so disappointed by the serum as well. I think it's around 43 to 45 US dollar for 30 ml of product. I definitely not gonna recommend it to anyone. It is just waste of money. I mean, you are applying something that is not well formulated onto your skin and paying hell lot of money. I would rather suggest vitamin C serums from Ordinary. They are really good. I like the 3-ethyl ascorbic acid serums. That is also a type of vitamin C. It's a much more stabilized form of vitamin C. So if you are, let's say, in India, then you can go and purchase the 10% vitamin C serum from the minimalist brand. And I like I like this Indian brand. It's really good. They make really affordable products. And if not that, then you can use Dr. Said's or else even the Dot and Key vitamin C. Even they seem to be really good. Vitamin C without a perfume formulation will be a right choice. And if you see something with denatured alcohol and you are a dry skin type, you need to step out of that formulation. Like, absolutely don't purchase it. So yeah, that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below or reach out to me on my Instagram handle. I will see you soon in another video. Take care. Bye.